Located on a tree-lined street in popular Colonial Place, this spacious home has so much to offer. Boasting an open floor plan, the living area includes a wood-burning fireplace and opens to a comfortable, sunlit dining space. The kitchen features granite counters, stainless steel appliances, ample cabinet space and a great counter for additional seating. Upstairs, the impressive primary bedroom offers a large walk-in closet and ensuite. Laundry hookups are conveniently located on the second floor. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom are also found on the second level. Don't miss the fantastic third floor that can be a 4th bedroom, office or playroom. Enjoy entertaining in the fenced-in backyard and relaxing on the charming front porch. Convenient storage can be found in the attic spaces or basement. Boasting fresh paint and carpet, this wonderful home won't last long. Just minutes from the Colonial Place Dog Park, playgrounds and all the restaurants and shops on North Colley Avenue.